Girls, today we will discuss about spices obtained from plants. Nutmeg. First of all, nutmeg. Myristica fragrans. Its botanical name is Myristica fragrans. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं जायफल और फ्रूट कैनाल. मिट्रेसी फैमिली का मेंबर है. मिट्रिस्टिकेसी सॉरी. आइलैंड मोलुकास आइलैंड का नेटिव है. इट इज़ नेटिव ऑफ मोलुकास आइलैंड्स इन इंडिया. It is grown in Nilgiris, Kerala, Mysore, Andhra Pradesh, Assam and West Bengal. It is a dioecious aromatic tree, evergreen tree, usually 30 to 40 feet high. The bark is grayish black and longitudinally fissured in old trees. ये हम इसका वेजिटेटिव स्ट्रक्चर स्टडी कर रहे हैं. द लीव्स आर इलिप्टिक और oblong. Flowers are arranged in umbelliferae cymes. एम्बिलेट साइम्स. इन्फ्लोरेसेंस आपने पढ़े हैं, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ फ्लावर्स. तो यहाँ मिलता है एम्बिलेट साइम्स टाइप का इन्फ्लोरेसेंस. द फ्लावर्स आर क्रीमी येलो एंड फ्रेगरेंट. द फ्रूट्स आर येलो, ब्रॉड, पायरिफॉर्म और ग्लोबोज, 6 to 9 centimeter long, glabrous, often dropping. The pericarp is fleshy. कैसा होता है? Fleshy, to 1.25 centimeter thick, splitting into two halves at maturity. The seeds are broadly ovoid with a shell like purplish brown testa. Now comes to cultivation and propagation. It requires hot and moist climate with a rainfall of 150 to 300 centimeter per annum, and it grows best in low elevations in the alluvium formed of deep variable loam with good drainage. सॉइल टाइप है ये. लोम टाइप का सॉइल में वेल ड्रेनेज होता है, तो उसमें ये प्रोटेक्ट अच्छे से होता है, कल्टीवेट अच्छे से हो जाता है. वेट शेल्टर्ड फ्रॉम हाई विंड्स. द प्लांट इज प्रोपेगेटेड फ्रॉम सीड्स, जैसे कि पहले बताया, ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम सीड्स. फ्रेश सीड्स विद शेल कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम मैच्योर फ्रूट्स आर ड्राइड फॉर अ डे and are sown either directly at the site or in nursery beds, sheltered from wind and strong sun. Seeds are sown 30 centimeter apart, 2.5 centimeter below the soil in nursery beds, and take 2 to 3 months to germinate. 2 से 3 महीने लगते हैं for germination. And the seedlings are transplanted when 60 to 90 centimeter high to their permanent in the field during wet weather. In plantations arise from seeds, there are usually more male than female trees, and sex is not determined until the plants are 6 to 7 year old and begin to bear flowers. In order to ensure a sufficient number of female trees in the plantation, 2 seedlings are planted close together, and the one which was proved to be female is retained. Right? Now comes to harvesting and yield. Under favorable conditions, the trees start to bear fruit from the 7th year or earlier, and the yield increases up to the 15th year or beyond. Trees continue to bear for many years, and 70 to 80 years old trees give good yield. Fruits are borne more or less throughout the year, but the main harvesting season is June to October. Fruits are picked up every morning from the ground and are gathered from the trees by the use of long stick to which a hook is attached. Seeds that drop out of split fruits are also gathered. The average annual yield at Berlier is 1250 to 5000 fruits per tree. Then the is use nutmeg oil, nutmeg butter are very important. Percentage of volatile oil varies from composition. In composition, nutmeg oil, the percentage of volatile oil varies from 6 to 16% according to the origin and the quality of the spices. Commercially, nutmeg butter is very important, highly aromatic fat, and obtained from the undersized, damaged or worm-eaten kernels which are unfit for sale as a spice. The material is ground and cooked or steamed before pressing. Nutmeg also contain moisture 14.3%, protein 7.5%, ether extract 36.4%, fiber 11.6%, carbohydrate 28.5%, mineral matter 1.7%, calcium 0.12%, phosphorus 0.24%, iron is 4.6%, and nutmeg contains volatile oil, as I have told earlier, starch, pentones, pectins. The flavor and the therapeutic action are due to the volatile oils. These are the composition of nutmeg. Uses: both nutmeg or mace are used as condiment and in medicine. They are commonly used more as a drug than as a condiment. Nutmeg is stimulant, carminative, astringent, and it is used in tonics and forms a constituent of preparations prescribed for dysentery, nausea, vomiting, malaria, and it is also used for flavoring food products and liquors. Nutmeg butter is used as mild external stimulant in ornaments, hair lotions, plasters, and forms a useful application. In case of rheumatism. So these are the commercial value or uses of nutmeg. Now comes to poppy seeds. Poppy, Papaver somniferum. Its botanical name is Papaver somniferum. पोस्त जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, पोस्त बहुत एक्सपेंसिव प्लांट है, एक्सपेंसिव क्रॉप है. फैमिली पेपरवेरेसी. It is a native of West Asia. In India, it is cultivated in the East Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and the Madhya Pradesh. The plant is an erect, rarely branched, annual herb, 60 to 120 centimeter in height. Their leaves are ovate to oblong, lobed, serrate flowers, large, usually bluish white with a purplish base or white. Capsules large, 2.5 centimeter diameter, globose, stalked, seeds white or black, very minute or reniforms. As we know, poppy is cultivated also for its seeds. In India, variety album with white seeds has been cultivated for many years for the production of post seeds, post जिसको बोलते हैं, under license in Dehradun and the Tiri Galwar districts of Uttar Pradesh, and in Jharkhand, Kapurthala, Hoshiarpur and Patiala districts of the Punjab. In India, best seeds are obtained when the capsules have not been insides for extraction of opium. The crop yields 220 to 275 kilogram of seeds per hectare. Chemical composition: moisture 4.3 to 5.2%, protein 22.3 to 24.4%, ether extract 46.5 to 49.1%, nitrogen free extract 11.7 to 14.3%, crude fiber 4.8 to 58.8%, ash 5.6 to 6%, calcium 1.03 to 1.45%, phosphorus 0.79 to 0.89%, iron 8.5 to 11.1 mg per 100 gram, thymine, riboflavin, nicotinic acid, iodine, manganese, copper, magnesium, zinc, lecithin, oxalic acid, pentothens, and the traces of narcotine, an anamorphous alkaloid, an enzyme, diastage, and emulsin. These are the composition of seed. And now comes to uses. Very important. It has commercially very important value. Poppy seeds are considered nutritive and are used in breads, curries, sweets, and confectionery. Poppy seeds contain up to 50% of an edible oil. The oil is odorless and possesses a pleasant almond like taste. In India, the oil is extracted by cold pressing and seeds in small presses. The oil is widely used for culinary purpose. It is free from narcotic properties and are used as a salad oil. The cake or the meal left after extraction of the oil from seeds is sweet and nutritious. Then at last we can say the poppy seeds are very important, commercially very important of family Papaveraceae.